If you want to perform phone diagnostics on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Now over here, we should be able to scroll down and we need to go to the device care. Now over here in the device care, we should be able to find Diagnostics, so let's select this option. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. Over here, if needed, you can of course allow Samsung members to send you notifications. I'm not going to allow actually. Now over here, I'm going to tap on OK. And there is a chance that you will open the Samsung Members app. If that's the case, you can tap on Diagnostics in here. But if not, then you should be able to immediately open the Diagnostics menu in this place. And now in here, we're gonna go to the phone diagnostics, and you will begin phone diagnostics pretty much straight away. You can also tap on this arrow in the upper left corner in order to skip a specific test that is being done right now, or you can completely stop diagnostics. Now in here, if you stop diagnostics, then you should be able to choose any of these individual tests that you can perform instead of performing all of them at once. And if you want to do all of these tests at once, then we have the test all button. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.